The reason for sneezing. Focus question. What happens to our body when we sneeze? The reason for sneezing is really quite clear. To breathe in some dust and blow it out in the air. Your nose gets tickled because of this dirt. Your body rejects it. It should and it must. The way that you sneeze is always the same. Information is sent to your lungs from your brain. Many muscles contract to push the sneeze through. That your diaphragm, belly, and chest muscle too. You shut your eyes, shut your tongue on the roof. Your tongue on the roof of the mouth. The force your nose to blow that breath out. And blow out it will. It exploded with a great power. A sneeze can go 100 miles an hour. 161
kilometers per hour.
161 kilometers hour. How are you sick in the bed with a cold or flu? Would you know this will cause you to sneeze a lot too? Think of a sneeze as a natural alarm. A sneeze is a defense that keeps us from harm. Next time you sneeze, keep in mind a command. Cover your nose with your arms or your hands.